Hello guys, welcome back again Tiprasa Mithun channels. Guys, this is the Chitkul village. Today I want to see you all a beautiful village on Tiprasa Mithun channel that you will never be able to imagine in your life. So come, let's start. Guys, you can see this is the Chitkul market and this is the Chitkul village. Guys, today I want to show you all the such beautiful naturals. This is the last village in India. The name is Chitkul village. Mungkai, the last village of India. Indian last village, the Chitkul. Guys, Indian last village, latitude 11320 feet. Welcome to Paspa River. Come. Indian last village, altitude 11320 feet. Friends, this is a very beautiful village, beautiful, the last of Indian market from Himachal Pradesh. I'm true trend this thing about the Chitkul market where you come spending thousands or lakh of rupees. This is the place where I live and I roaming around in this place. This is the last market in India to visit in this village. Please, thank you, bye bye, love you all.